Righto, tally-o there, champs. Now, has Apple actually lost the plot here? Have they lost the plot? Believe it or not, this is the MagSafe Duo charger with no charger. Yes, a charger that comes with no charger. What? I mean, it's actually nearly Christmas. It's not even April Fool's. And if I actually put this on April Fool's, I bet you people wouldn't believe it. But anyway, you need the 20-watt charger there to get the most out of this. Of course, you can probably put lower wattage chargers. I'll test that, but of course, you're not going to get the maximum performance out of it. I prefer probably to put lower wattage, but remember, if you're charging a watch and phone together, you probably do need that. So anyway, let's have a quick look at the charger with no charger in the box. Now, you know, at one point, I think Apple, they're actually going to have a charger. You're going to go buy a charger, so one of these 20-watt chargers. You're going to get one of those from Apple in the Apple store. You're going to open a box and you're going to have to buy a charger for it. It won't even have the charger in the box. I reckon that's the way to go in here. So, nice white box. It is MagSafe, so it should, you know, magnet up and connect to your, you know, phone. And there we have it. Ooh, feels quite weighty. And I guess it's made for travel. See how it snaps together there? Nice and neat. Look at that, beautiful. That's a nice embellishment there. Got to say, it looks nice like this. Open it up. I mean, it is a tool, so what do you expect? But you know, Apple do make beautiful things. Remember they had air power supposed to come out or whatever? That thing did look nice. This thing looks, well, like a tool. You know, it's got a job to do and it looks like it's going to do it. Inside the box you'll get USB-C to Lightning, so you'll work on this Mac over here, no problems. I guess that's the thing, right? You're traveling, you connect it to your Mac, you're ready to go, woof. And we do get some literature in there. Do we get an Apple sticker? What the actual? No Apple sticker, is that for real? I'm ripped. I've had enough. It's going back. No Apple sticker, you can get stuffed, Apple. So essentially, you just connect this here, connect it to, you know, a power brick or your laptop, whatever, and you charge your devices. I have the best iPhone you can get, of course. And what do we have there? Woof, look at those magnets. Yes, look at that sucker. Yep, and as you can see, that sucks better than, you know, the old service provider down King's Cross and St Kilda. So that's pretty good there. All right, so I'm going to just hook it up and see what happens. All right, so what I actually think of this thing, and I have actually used the charger, and you can see there it sucks. Oh, it sucks like someone I know. It's got good suction there. And yes, I know it's not suction, it is magnets, of course. And I'm actually using the M1 Mac power supply here, 31 watt. That's from the MacBook Air. And it charges pretty much the same as my wireless charger, which is a 15 watt wireless charger. This part here, which is for your watch, that seems to charge like the Apple supplied one when they're together. May have to test them separately, like if there's any difference between the charging when both are connected. But certainly, you know, when they're together, it seems like, you know, the charging is pretty much the same as my wireless pad, my Qi wireless pad, which is 15 watts and pretty much the same as the Apple sort of watch charger there that comes with the watch itself. So overall, what do I think about this? Wow, is it worth it? Oh, I don't know about that. I mean, you know, when you think of the phone, the iPhone here, we've got the iPhone here. When you think of this, it doesn't come with a charger. Its primary function is not charging, right? It's a phone. It's meant to do what phones do. But this is a charger. Its primary function is to charge. And you get it home, you can't charge anything with it unless you have another charger. It is a good product. It's well made. I like how it works. It's portable. It's a really good device. Like, it's nice. Is it worth the money? Well, that's up to you to decide whether it's value for you or not. It's good quality, as I said. But remember, you might have to add another $20 on to get a, you know, 20 watt charger for it, which it recommends on the back there to, you know, get a 20 watt charger. I'm a bit indifferent about it. And the reason why is because it's like, you know, going to a car dealer, buying a car, and then trying to start the car and like, the car doesn't start, and you go to the dealer, hey, what's the go here? And he goes, oh, you want a motor with that car? Oh, surely you got another car at home and you can just tow it. But if you don't have another car and you actually want a motor, I can charge you $2,000 and you can get a new motor and then you can drive the car. It sort of feels a bit like that. It's just a bit weird. Yeah, I like it. It's a good product. you know, they sucked me in, they got me in here. So well done, Apple. You made me buy another product that I probably don't need. But yeah, hope you enjoy it if you get it. It is a good quality product, as I said. And if it's worth it, let me know down there in the comments, please. If something's valuable for you, well, that's good. I like it. It's good. I've got the chargers anyway, so it's not a big deal. But yeah, it's a bit strange. Anyway, catch you in the next one. That is the MagSafe Duo Charger. Good product from Apple. Catch you in the next one, guys. Tally ho.